and how do you help them find their purpose and their path in life?
I think it comes back to our whole, I guess, model of care. I think we take a very strength-based approach to how we help people. It's getting people to realize that now everyone's got strengths and abilities. It's helping them, giving people opportunity to share their skills, their gifts or abilities with each other. I think that's probably the starting point, is for people to help realize what they're good at, where they can. I think that gives people their self-worth and their self-value and confidence. I think that's a huge starting point. Finding purpose is hard. I think it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of trying. I think that's probably the second part, is to try, to have a go. Life for me, I always think that, I always love to give everything a go. I try, and that's how you start to realize what you like and what you don't like, what you're good at, what you're not good at.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.